So which means that our x plus pi over 4 equal to 3 pi over 4 plus 2k pi and 5 pi over 4 plus 2k pi. So what is the value of x? Just this one minus pi over 4, we'll get 2 pi over 4, which is pi over 2, plus 2k pi. We'll get this one minus pi over 4, we'll get pi plus 2k pi, where k is a member of an integer. So that's the value for x. So how I got this one? Just take 3 pi over 4 minus pi over 4. 3 pi over 4 minus pi over 4. They have the same denominator. We add the numerator. That is 3 pi minus pi. That's 2 pi over 4. By 2, 1. By 2, 2. The answer is pi over 2. Then take this one minus pi over 4 again. 5 pi over 4 minus pi over 4. LCM is 4. They have the same denominator. With 5 pi minus pi, that's 4 pi. By 4, answer is pi. So that's why we have pi over 2 plus 2k pi and pi plus 2k pi. So that's the answer for number A. So why I got this value, which is 135, because cos is negative in the second quadrant and the third quadrant. So cos inverse of 1 over root 2, it is 45. But that 45 must be in the second quadrant, which is 135. And also it must be in the third quadrant, which is 225 degrees. So that's, I think you are getting me on this number A. Let us try B. So then now B, let us try B. We have root 2 sec x plus tan x equal to 1. You know that from sec x equal to 1 over cos x and tan x equal to sin x over cos x. So then now, if sec x is 1 over cos x, tan x equal to sin x over cos x, this equation is going to become root 2 into bracket 1 over cos x plus sin x divided by cos x equal to 1. So root 2 times 1, that is root 2 over cos x plus sin x divided by cos x equal to 1. We find the LCM. I have the same denominator, that is cos x. So it comes root 2 plus sin x equal to 1. So we cross multiply, we get root 2 plus sin x equal to cos x. So bring this one here, because it has positive, it will be negative. It comes cos x minus sin x equal to root 2. This one stays here. So this equation, you see, this equation is the same as A, cos x plus B sin x equal to C. So mean that our A will be 1, our B will be negative 1, our C will be root 2. You know, when it is like this, we get here Z equal to A plus BI. Then the magnitude of Z into cos x minus angle will be equal to C. So meaning that, what will be the magnitude of Z? It will be, because our Z there, our Z is 1 minus I. It will be root 1 squared plus negative 1 squared. So the magnitude of Z will be root 2. So after getting the magnitude of Z, we're going to find the argument of Z will be equal to what? So tan alpha, you know that tan alpha equal to B over A. So tan alpha, you know, when you're finding angle, use positive, negative help us to know the location of the complex number. So it will be 1 over 1. Alpha is tan inverse of 1, where alpha is pi over 4. So after getting alpha, Z is located in which quadrant? So our x is positive, but y is negative. So it is in the first quadrant. And you know that in the first quadrant, angle equal to negative alpha. So which means that if angle is negative alpha, our angle will be negative pi over 4. Our angle will be negative pi over 4. So if our angle is negative pi over 4, it means that magnitude of z cos of x minus angle will be equal to c. So therefore, the magnitude of z, which is, remember the magnitude of z is root 2. So root 2 cos x minus pi over 4 equal to c. Our c is our c equal to root 2. So we divide root 2 by root 2. Then it cos x plus pi over 4 equal to 1, because root 2 divided by root 2 is 1. Then x plus pi over 4 is cos inverse of 1. Remember, cos is positive in the first quadrant and the first quadrant. So our x plus pi over 4 will be equal to cos inverse of 1, it is 0. It will be 0 degrees, 0 plus 2k pi, or 2 pi plus 2k pi. So which means that x will be equal to, when you bring this one here, it will be negative pi over 4 plus 2k pi, or 2 pi minus pi over 4 plus 2k pi. So our x will be equal to negative pi over 4 plus 2k pi. Then this is 87 pi over 4 plus 2k pi, where k is a member of an integer. So that's the value for x. So let me give you exercise that will help you to understand how we can solve equation of that form. So number 1, exercise number 1, solve in R the equation cos x plus root 3 sin x equal to root 3. That's number 1. That is number 1. Number 2, solve in R the equation cos x plus sin x equal to root 2. So that is exercise. I think after doing exercise, it will help you to understand or to know very well if you have understood. So let us stop from here. Have a nice time. May God bless you.